Icons, accessible, equal housing opportunity. Drone shot of sunlit leafy trees around red and white masonry buildings with pale gray roofs. Manicured landscaping flanks concrete walkway between buildings, with blue patio umbrellas in background. Blue lounge chairs around outdoor pool. 2 shared grills and brick counter with gray countertop. Lounge chairs beneath white pergolas. Sign with text, warning, no lifeguard on duty. Indoor common area with bar seats, tea, coffee, and soft drink dispenser to left of seating area with flat screen and pool table. Turtle swims in aquarium. Open shelves with books and ornaments flank flat screen and seating area. Low and high windows with sheer black floor to ceiling curtains. Indoor gym with treadmills, bikes, ellipticals all facing windows with horizontal blinds. Weights machines facing mirror wall. Apartment great room with black kitchen appliances and brown counter with gray counters. Sitting area to left of glass panel sliding doors. Facing entry door, kitchen to right, storage and double doors to left. Ceiling fan with light above center of sitting area, with pale walls, white ceiling and base trim, and wood look floors. Wide window to left of double bed, ceiling fan with light above bed and carpeted floor. 2 dark outdoor seats and white cafe table to left of black railing on balcony with hazy light through leafy trees. Leafy trees around red and white masonry buildings with gray roofs.